Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing how to delete eBay account permanently. First of all, open your eBay app on your mobile phone and you will see different type of icons at the bottom of the screen. Let's tap on my eBay. Scroll down at the bottom of the screen and you will see question mark help. Tap on it. Now you will see all these type of various options. On the search bar, click over there and search delete my account. Here you can find closing your account article. Tap on it. Now when you read this article, you can go through different terms and conditions. I'm simply tapping on close account. Now your account will be successfully deleted or closed after you select a reason. And this is how you delete eBay account permanently. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell of this channel so that you never miss an upcoming videos. Thank you.